Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing this Rana 5 Cheese Lasagna. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're going to need, of course, your Rana Lasagna. We're going to need a baking sheet, some scissors to open up our packaging, and a food thermometer to make sure that it's cooked thoroughly at the end of it. Now the first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to go ahead and open up our packaging. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Now that we have our lasagna out of the package, we just want to go ahead and sit that on our baking sheet. If you don't have a baking sheet, you can just go ahead and use a couple pieces of tin foil and put that on your oven rack. Now this is cooked from refrigerated, so these instructions are for a fully thawed lasagna. We're going to go ahead and pop this into our oven for around 20 minutes is their recommendation. In my experience, these do take a little bit longer to cook, so I'm going to put mine in there and then I'll come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right guys, it has been 35 minutes since I put this into the oven. I have checked the temperature a couple times and it was not yet at that 160-degree temperature that we need, but I think that I've left it in there long enough. We're gonna check it one more time and hopefully it's done. All right, we have reached our 160-degree internal temperature. So here is our completed Rana 5 Cheese Lasagna. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.